Ever wonder how that tiny chip in your phone connects you to the entire world? Today, almost everyone has a mobile phone, and it's basically a fancy box without a SIM card. But have you ever thought about how these little wonders are made? What kind of technology goes into them? Well, today we're taking you on a journey inside a high-tech factory to uncover the secrets of SIM card manufacturing. Let's get started. First things first, what is a SIM card made of? The main body is actually a special type of plastic, specifically PVC. It starts as tiny plastic granules. To give them color, a substance called a masterbatch is mixed in. This mixture then goes into a special heating machine. This machine melts the plastic granules, turning them into a liquid. From there, long sheets of plastic emerge, which are then fed into a cutting machine. This machine precisely cuts the sheets into the familiar card frames we all know. You've seen them, right? It's the ones with punch-outs for different sizes, like micro, mini, and nano SIMs. Once the plastic frames are ready, it's time for the most important part, the chip. A special glue is applied to the frame, and then the golden chip is carefully placed and secured. This tiny chip is the brain of the operation. It's what allows your phone to get a network signal so you can talk, text, and browse. So, how are these chips made and programmed? It all starts with a computer where complex programming is done by engineers. These golden chips, which have a layer of silicon, are brought in from another factory. They are placed on a conveyor belt that feeds into a CNC machine. This machine then takes the pre-programmed chips and attaches them to the plastic card frames we saw earlier. But what's actually inside that little chip? And how does it store your information and connect you to a network? A SIM card is an electronic chip that identifies you, the user, to the mobile network. It contains a microchip that's crucial for encryption, keeping your calls and data secure. You might wonder how so much data fits on such a small thing. This is done using a technology called ICSID, along with various security pins. The SIM also holds your International Mobile Subscriber Identity, or IMSI, and a personal PIN for security. This is why a new phone asks for a PIN if you set one up on your SIM. Now, let's talk about network technology. You've probably heard the terms GSM and CDMA. These are the two main types of technologies used, with GSM being the most common worldwide. A GSM SIM card can be used in almost any compatible phone, giving you the flexibility to switch devices. So how does it all come together? When you put a SIM card in your phone and turn it on, it immediately starts searching for the nearest network tower. Once it finds a signal, the GSM technology in the SIM connects to the phone's internal systems, allowing you to make calls and use data anywhere in the world. Back in the factory, once the chips are fused with their plastic frames, they head to an automated packaging machine. They are sealed into their packets and prepared for shipping. From there, they are sent out to mobile carriers all over the country. Companies then try to lure us with their best offers and network coverage, all powered by these little cards and their vast network of cell towers. Another neat feature is the SIM card lock. This allows you to set a password on your SIM. So if someone tries to use your SIM in a different phone, they'll be locked out without the password, a great security feature. SIM cards have also changed a lot over the years. Remember the old days? The very first SIM cards, made back in 1991, were the size of a credit card. Can you imagine? Then came the mini SIM, which was common in older keypad phones. As smartphones evolved, the mini SIM was trimmed down to create the micro SIM. Today, most phones use the even smaller nano SIM. But what's next? With technology advancing so fast, it seems like we might be heading towards a future without physical SIM cards at all. You've probably heard of eSIMs, or virtual SIMs. They are already being used in many new devices and could eventually replace physical SIMs entirely. What do you think about a SIM-less future? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That's a wrap on our journey into the world of SIM card manufacturing. We hope you enjoyed this look behind the scenes. If you found this video interesting, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon too, so you never miss another fascinating video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.